Hi, in this video, I'd like to go over alternatives of downloading data mining. So as you can see here, we have different installments. So you can use the standalone installer or the portable orange. So I believe I have this portable orange, and I believe you already started installing. You installed one of those if you are using an Apple computer, right? So I would suggest you use this one. Uh, this one, try different ones until you see which one works best. But for me personally, because I work at the university or security reason, they don't sometimes allow me to update without administrative rights. So what I do is I download this guy. So when I download this guy, it comes into the downloads as a zipped folder. So if you look at my downloads, here it comes like this, and then you can just extract all. And then when you extract all, it's going to take a while. And then you can just drag and drop this file or this folder into your desktop, and you can use it from there. So for example, when I click on it, and then you can just click on it and open, and it will work. So this is kind of a shortcut, and this is what I personally use in my computer at work. So I hope this helps, and I wish you all the best.